We accept your request.
And the infrastructure was officially commissioned by His Excellency Bola Tinubu, President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, on Saturday, 8 June 2024.
Chinua Achebe. President Bola Tinubu says his administration continues to rejig the financial situation to bring prosperity to the country, and the spirit of service must be awakened in everyone. This project was awarded in 2003 at 14 billion naira and was completed with a little over 18 billion naira.
This significant achievement marks yet another milestone in our administration's total commitment to enhancing the infrastructure and living standards within the Federal Capital Territory and across our great country. 1 year ago, we embarked on the journey to retune, re-engineer, refinance, and release the hope. I have the people's support and the mandate to deliver good quality of life and living environment. That should be enough for all of us to share in the joy of commitment, dedication.